Hello friends, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercat. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your book Fly High Grade 1. So now we are on chapter 10 that says playing safely. Okay, so we all love to play, but then we all should be careful while playing. Like if you are playing in the playground, you should not push your friends. If you're on the slides, you should be careful. If you're playing hide and seek, you should not go to the dark places. So while playing also we need to be very careful. This lesson is about the safety rules for playing in a playground. Let's read and follow them while playing. So before that, we have an activity. Tick the safe actions and cross out the unsafe actions. So here they have given you a set of pictures and we need to say the safe actions, we need to put a tick mark, and to the wrong ones, unsafe actions, we need to put a cross. So the first picture, they are playing with a ball and it hit on the girl's eye. So this is not safe, this is unsafe. They are playing football, they are playing with the ball, and I think it's safe enough because they're in a park or some garden. Here the boy is playing football on the road, that is really unsafe. The girl is crossing the road, she's on the pedestrian lane with the dog, correct, safe enough. She's crossing the road and she's there on the zebra crossing. The child is swimming, safe. And here they are on the slide. I think the boy is pushing, so it is unsafe. Coming to the next, let's read the story. When friends go to the playground, they run fast and crash into each other. Crash, when you bang, when you hit hard. Watch out. Is that right? No, that's wrong. Watch out means be careful. So when the friends, they go in the playground, at times what happens, they run so fast that they hit each other, they get crashed, and then is it right? No, it's absolutely wrong. When friends go to the playground, they should walk, they shouldn't run. This way no one gets hurt. When Jim and Rob play on the seesaw, Jim gets off before Rob. Is that right? No, that's wrong. In case if one gets down, right, and the other is on the seesaw, then definitely the one sitting will get a jerk and will fall down. See, this is the picture. So this is also wrong. Sam and his friend play on the seesaw. Now again it has many characters, so utter confusion. So Jim, I'll keep underlining, Jim and Rob, they play on the seesaw, right? And Sam and his friend play on the seesaw again. When they finish playing, Sam stays on it until his friend gets off. How careful he is. So you have to be careful with your, you have to be careful for the partner with whom you are sharing the seesaw. So once your friend is getting off the seesaw, you should wait patiently and then you too can get down. Okay, so we will underline this also because we might get this in the MCQ. All right, Ria plays on the monkey bars. Okay, so she waits until her friend reaches the other side. Okay, so what is a monkey bar? It is like this, and you hang on this. You hold it and then you climb on this. She waits until her friend reaches the other side. Now see, if there are 3 bars and you are here, your friend is here, you might get, again you might hit each other and you might get interrupted. So let this one reach here and then you can come here so that you don't get hurt. Thank you, Ria, says her friend in delight. Delight is happy. Jack plays on the slide. Okay. He climbs up the ladder and waits for his turn. I am next. So whenever we are there on the slide, we should all wait for a turn, right? It's not that 7, 8 children, they climb on the ladder, right? And then they are back to back on the slide and hitting each other. Anya plays catch with her friend. She tosses the ball when she is ready. Great catch. So, this Anya, she plays with the ball and she only throws the ball when her friend is ready. Lee plays on the swing. Ravi waits until his friend stops and gets off. Yippee, my turn. It's time for friends to go home. They leave their playthings behind. Playthings, they are the toys or anything with which you play. Is that right? No, that's wrong. When it's time for friends to go home, they take their belongings with them. So whenever you're going back home, whatever you were carrying should go back home along with you. Bye. See you again soon. So this is, we have talked about so many children. Some of them, they use the slides, seesaw, swings, then they played with the ball, but then some of them were very careful while others were little careless. Okay. So now let's come to the exercise. Which of the following means the same as happiness? So, delight. Which part of the sentence has an error? Anya play catch with her friend. No. The sentence was Anya plays catch with her friend. So it should be plays. So this is the part which has an error. Next. Jack plays on the slide. Okay, now we have the extract and based on that we need to answer. Jack plays on the slide. Jack climbs up the dash and waits for his turn. So he climbs up the ladder. Next, what does Anya play? Anya plays catch with her friend. So she plays with a ball. Lee plays on the monkey bars. So Lee plays not on the monkey bars, Lee plays on the swing. So it's a false one. True or false? Sam plays on the monkey bars. Okay, so now let's get back and see. Sam plays on the monkey bars. Ria plays on the monkey bars. So this is false. Next, Jack plays on the slide. Okay, let's find out. Who plays on the slide? Who plays on the slide? Yes, Jack plays on the slide. Next, Ria plays on the swing. No, it's Lee who plays on the swing. False. Lee and her friend play on the seesaw. Let me check. No. Who played on the seesaw? It was Sam and his friend who played on the seesaw. So again, false. See, when we have so many characters, it really creates confusion. So this time, to avoid confusion, I underlined the sentences so that we can answer them without wasting time. Now answer the following. Why does Jack wait for his turn on the slide? Okay. Now Jack was playing on the slide and he was waiting on the ladder for his turn. Why does Jack wait for his turn? Okay, now Jack was playing on the slide and he was waiting for his turn so that he might not get hurt and he might not hurt others also. Why do you think Ria waits for her friend to reach the other side? Okay, what was Ria playing? Let's see. Okay, Ria was playing on the monkey bars and she waits for her friend so that she could reach the other side and then she can further move on. Next, what have you learned from the story? So we have seen so many games and the moral we've learned is that we should be very, very careful while we are in the playground. We should be very careful while we are playing any game, be it on the slides, be it playing some, games like throwing the ball, catching the ball, or on any swings, right? So we should be careful so that we do not get hurt and we do not hurt others too. So that was all about the story. Hope you all liked it. Read it once again so that you again, can memorize the characters and what they were doing. Okay, go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.